and March 11, around 12 o'clock local time, Mount Merapi erupted in Indonesia. This is the most active volcano in the country, located on the island of Java near the city of Yogyakarta. The volcano released clouds of ash and gas up to 7 kilometers high. There was a lava flow about 2 kilometers long. The eruption blacked the sun and covered many villages with ash. About a quarter of a million people live within 10 kilometers of the volcano. Residents living on the slopes of Merapi were advised to keep a distance of 7 kilometers from the crater. Tourism and mining have been halted. There is currently no evacuation taking place. This eruption is the second largest since 2021. Large eruptions of Merapi occur approximately every several years, small ones about twice a year.